the graduates, advance congratulations, not just to your graduation, but to the good future ahead of you. Advance congratulations to that. And you know what? You are so 1,000% luckier than me because I didn't have the chance to graduate. I only took up and reached second year college, and then I was invited to demonstrate my talent already for the situation of the industry. I was invited to be a rapper, a DJ, and at the same time a movie actor. But before that, the hurdles in life was really so much for me. Would you believe if I tell you that I did and had 500 rejections for 5 years, joining contests, auditions and all that, for 500. But I was counting it. It was like 3 times a week. I was joining contests, I was joining auditions for 5 years. So much, it will amount to 500. For 500 rejections, because at that time, 35 years ago, they were looking for good-looking people, good-looking kids, artista-looking, movie actor-looking like hunky-hunky, like hunky-hunky is like, the gym body. But with my kind of build and with a simple, ordinary face that I have, those 500s were a common situation every day in my life. I never gave up for 500 rejections. And in fact, on those 500 rejections, 40% of those are very hurting. Why? They just don't reject you. They pull bad words against you. They were like, "Hi there, what's your name? My name is Andrew for Espiritu. What are you applying for?" "I'm applying for a model." "Okay, so can you please turn right? Can you turn to your right? Can you please turn to your left?" I thought I was already accepted because they were telling me to face right and face left. So when I faced left, the auditioner told me, "Okay, what do you see?" "I see a door." "Okay, you can go now." Those hurting words are more hurting than bad words that I'm telling you. But in my heart, as I was entering the door that the auditioner was telling me to go out to, in my heart I was telling myself, it might not be this day, it might not be tomorrow, but for sure, God is always letting me know that these hurdles in life are just plainly for everyday situation. Up until I give up or I don't give up. Because the moment He sees you that you never give up in life, even though those hurdles were hurled at you, the reward will be fascinating in the end. And that is what made my Andrew name. Up until now, 35 years later, I'm still here, I'm still rocking shows, I'm still entertaining people, and I'm still earning for a living for my family. Southfield, I know for a fact, is so near to my heart that 3 of my children are enrolled here. 2 of them graduated just a while ago, recently, and 1 more is on a grade 9, grade 10. I'm not sure. So, still I have 1 bunso waiting to graduate. So, for me, Southville is so near to my heart. Why? Because I know for a fact, Southville can deliver good education. Not only that, good things for children. Not only that, good future ahead of you. And not only that, good pathway to a better future. That is Southville guaranteed. So when I say sweeter, you are already there. Kaya all you need to do is just harness on your pathway, harness on your direction in life, all the aspirations in life, go for it, go direct at it, embrace it, and never be afraid of AI. Never be afraid of AI. AI, the real meaning of AI is acquired intelligence. Acquired intelligence from your school, from the teachers that you are with now, to the principal and everyone. Acquired intelligence from your parents who are working hard for you to graduate up until this day, and acquired intelligence coming from God. So that is AI, acquired intelligence. Love it, keep it, and make it sweeter for you and your future. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. God bless you. All the graduates, congratulations. Look at me and tell yourself always, all the time, if Andrew Lee made it, why shouldn't I? Maraming po salamat. Thank you. Or plaque of appreciation. Thank you for that. Maraming salamat po. So, para dagdagan natin yung kasiyahan ninyo sa graduation ninyo, kailangan gusto ko malaman kung maligaya ba kayo o masaya? Masaya! You choose. Are you happy or are you happy? Okay, let me have that, senyor. Let me have that. Tingnan natin. Come on! Everybody in the place to be! Clap your hands like this! Clap your hands on! Clap your hands like this! Come on! Alright, check it out. Kung gusto mong lumigaya ang iyong buhay, kumarap ka na pangit at ibigin mo tulad, isang hangin na talagang pinupaganda. Huwag ang lalaki na iyong pangarap, ngunit kung bakit kung sinabi ko is simple lang. Pagkamagagat ng lalaki, naglalaro lang ang iyong oras. Pag-hirap, kasarapin mo din handa-handa, iwanan ka na magkasandali na ikaw ay wala nang ibigay. Kaya pangit ang lalaki ang kailangan mo na, kung hindi sini ka po sa buhay mamimigay. Mawala-wala bakit? Oh, clap your hands everybody. Everybody just clap your hands. Let me hear you say ho. Say ho. Isang pangit na lalaki na may napagtingin, mga liwa ka man, sige ka na dyan pakipagkat ikaw talaga. Kaya ang pagkakali pag-isipan kami wala, hindi na maaari at kung manigat ka man, huwag mag-alala. Sigurado ka naman wala makikipagkilala kung kasama mo siya. Huwag nagkakatakot ako kailangan kung ikaw na may paglilingkuran kaya para lumigaya ang iyong buhay. Pag sinabi kong happy, sabihin graduation. Happy? Oh, come on, happy? Everybody, sabay-sabay, come on. Pag sinabi kong happy, sabihin graduation. Happy? Oh, happy? Alright, everybody join me. Here we go. Itaas ang inyong mga kamay. At sabay-sabay ibagay-bay. At kung inyong ibibigay, say ho! Mga lalaki, everybody now sing with me. Let me hear you say ho! Say ho! Mga babae, everybody now sing with me. Let me hear you say ah! Say ah! So you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not fall. I'm telling you why. Umanong ka na bakit at ibigin mo? Break it down! Sino pinakamatanda sa lugar na to? Sa lugar na to? Sa lugar na ito? Sino pinakamatanda sa lugar na to? At kapag ko ito ibibigay. your hand. At sinabi kong happy, sabihin graduation. Happy, happy. Oh, ako'y nasa malaki, ay seki na kami. Nakilala ko tuloy itong magandang babae na nakabibigani sa aking mga mata. Ang di ko lang alam ay mandoloko lang pala. Bumanag sa akin ang bimok ng bimok nyo. Nagtuturo na siya, hindi pa kami o tumagi mahalata. Siya ay nagpayaba, nakikinisip pa daw siya sa agaba. Ako ay tumakbay, mahigpit na mahigpit. Naglalaway sa pagkanyang hapit na hapit na ako'y makaliga. Di ko siya matamuhan, ubos ang aking paligid. When the night, alright, has come, baby. Oh yeah, I'll be not tired. Everybody sing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh darling, darling, stay by me. Oh, stay by me. Oh my God, sa graduation nandun si Agoy. When the night has come, at pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas sa graduation, si Andrew E. Kumakanta ng libre.